and it's made with the superfood Ragi. These are my yummy Ragi cookies. They're really, really special. You'll see it in the recipe. And Ragi, as you know, is loaded with antioxidants. It also is very, very fibrous and has a lot of minerals like iron and magnesium. So include this in your diet and make yummy, yummy recipes with it. And what I'm going to do for this recipe, first of all, I am going to freshly grind this Ragi into flour and then make my cookies. So without much ado, let's get started. So to this, we are going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix it well. Now, in a separate bowl, sugar and butter. I'm going to add Ragi flour. Just fold in nicely. Walnut in the center. Just press it and just leave some space between the cookies. Oven is preheated at 180 degrees. These yummy cookies are going to be cooking for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're done. You're going to love it. Your friends are going to love it. Do try this recipe and let me know how is your tea time going.